Hi Otters, I'm Cecelia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. Today, we're going to talk about how to install our antivirus software, Sophos, on your personal machine, how to update your antivirus software, and what to do if it finds a virus. The good news here is that we manage the Sophos software installed on all CSUMB computers. So if you are using a CSUMB-owned computer, you don't need to worry about the installation portion of this video and can skip ahead to the part about running scans. The only exception to this are the Dell loaner laptops that the library checks out. If you are using one of those, you should install antivirus software immediately. Before installing Sophos, you need to remove any other antivirus software entirely, including free trial versions that come on new computers. Consult their documentation or website for information on properly removing their software. Now, let's get the antivirus installed. The first step to installing the software is to download it. Go to csumb.edu/IT and search for free software in the Search Our Client portal bar. On the free and discounted software page, click on Sophos to be taken to the instructions. Click on the link to be taken to the Sophos home website and scroll down to the Register for Sophos home box and fill it out. It will email you a link to create a Sophos home account. Once you've created your account on their website, you will then be able to download the software. Navigate to your Downloads folder and click on the Sophos installer to install the software. If you're using a Mac, after you install the software, you will find Sophos on the top menu bar on the right side near the clock. Just look for the little shield with an S in it. If you are using a Windows computer, you will find the Sophos icon of the shield with an S down on the system tray near your clock. As your next step, you will want to update your software to make sure the virus definitions are up to date. Those working on a CSUMB-owned machine can skip this step as well and move right on to the scanning section. Click on the Sophos shield icon and select Update from the menu with the three dots. You will then want to check for new updates at least once a week because Sophos is always looking to update you against the newest viruses and malware. Once you are up to date, you will want to run a scan. Again, access the menu in your Sophos by clicking on the shield icon, and then on the three dots, and select Scan, and the computer will start to scan in the background as you work. You will notice that the icon moves while it's actively scanning. On the CSUMB-owned computers, you can initiate a scan at any time as well, but your client software will look slightly different. Click your Sophos shield icon and select Open Sophos Endpoint. In the screen that pops up, you will see a Scan button. Just click that. How often should you scan for viruses? At least once a week, anytime your web browsers are acting weird, or you accidentally click on an unknown link in an email or on the web. What should you do if Sophos finds a virus? Most of the time, Sophos will know what to do with the virus and will quarantine it and remove it accordingly. However, sometimes it will not know what to do, especially if it's a newer virus. On CSUMB-owned computers, just put in a ticket to let us know. If this happens on your personal computer, open your web browser and log into your Sophos account using the account information you used when you signed up for the software. Search for the virus in the Sophos Help menu if the name of the virus is in the Threat Detected box. You can also find lots of other help information in the Help section of their website pertaining to Sophos. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can also visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at CSUMB_IT. Feel free to send us your suggestions for future topics via our social media. See you next week, Otters!